What's up everyone, it's Sandra Paul with the MOVEMETOTX Team. Today I am in Pasadena meeting with the owners of Sweet Lemon, Tapioca, and Snacks. Follow me as I learn more about his business.
Hey everyone, my name is Phong Duong. I am the co-owner of Sweet Lemon, Tapioca, and Snacks. We are a Vietnamese cafe located at 3427 Spencer Highway, Pasadena, Texas. Sweet Lemon was established in fall of 2018. Growing up in the community, there really wasn't a lot of Vietnamese cafe that had, both Vietnamese dishes and tapioca drinks. So when I was presented the opportunity to open up Sweet Lemon, I knew I had to take a chance on it. We came up with the name Sweet Lemon. Actually, it was because of my aunt. We were all sitting, around the table trying to figure out a name for the store, and she came up with Sweet Lemon, and we just thought it was a catchy phrase for it. Ironically, one of our most popular drinks is actually our Sunset Lemonade, which is raspberry tea mixed with strawberry jam in our classic lemonade. And our second most popular drink would be our jasmine milk tea. And Sweet Lemon, we just don't have just lemonades. We also have, green tea, milk teas, and we're actually known for our smoothies also. Besides our drinks, we also offer popular Vietnamese dishes like pho, combination fried rice, and our Vietnamese sandwich. Once again, my name is Phong Duong. I'm the co-owner of Sweet Lemon, Tapioca, and Snacks. You guys can find us on Instagram or Facebook at Sweet Lemon HTX. So come on in and enjoy a snack or a drink. I hope to see you soon.